So let me show you how to actually make big money from copywriting. Because you see, most people think that you only need to write some emails and you'll be making 5k to 10k per month. And it might work for you if you're writing daily emails for a big client, or maybe if you just have a shit ton of clients that you're writing emails for, then maybe you can make 5k to 10k per month just with emails. But if you understand this concept that I'm going to share with you, you'll see like how to actually make thousands of dollars from just one client. Like this is exactly how I made over 2k last month from one client, and I personally know people making over 3k 4k from just one client because they understood this one thing. So this is how it works. A typical simplified funnel for any coach or creator usually looks like this. They have this top of the funnel, the middle of the funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. The goal of the top of the funnel stuff is to grab attention. This is things like YouTube videos, Instagram reels, TikToks, or even Twitter threads. This is the stuff that makes you familiar with someone's content. It gets you to know them. And usually at the top of the funnel, there will be a lead magnet, like a free guide or something, where they will ask you to enter your email address to get this free guide. And once you enter your email, that's when you get added to their email list. And this takes you to the middle of the funnel. This can be either their email list or a free school community or a free Discord community or Facebook group, something like that. The goal of this middle of the funnel stuff is to nurture the audience, because people buy from people who they know, like, and trust. So you build that in the middle of the funnel by sharing more tips, some life experiences, and shifting their beliefs, sharing some of your client wins to build your credibility, and maybe you help the audience solve some of their problems for free in your free school community or your Discord server to build that trust. So you build that know, like, and trust in this middle of the funnel. And then you have the bottom of the funnel. This is mostly stuff like sales pages and VSL, where you already take the audience that you have nurtured and you offer them your service or product. And every stage of this funnel, every stage needs copy. Your top of the funnel, you need YouTube scripts, short form scripts, opt-in pages, or even tweets. In middle of the funnel, you need things like emails, school posts. Bottom of the funnel, you need sales pages, VSL. So usually most creators have some part of this funnel that's already in place. So maybe they already have YouTube scripts, maybe they're already sending emails, but they don't have a sales page, or maybe they have YouTube scripts, but they don't have emails, they don't have short form scripts, all that. If you come in and help them fix that, maybe you start by writing their YouTube scripts to get your foot in the door. Then after a month or so, you pitch them on, oh, I can also write your emails, and I can also take some of your YouTube content and emails, and I can repurpose them as tweets or as short form scripts. So by doing this, you help them make more money, you help them with every part of their funnel, and it gets you paid more. And that's how you make shit ton of money from just one client.